Hey guys, Brett at Russell Marine Products. Today I want to talk about our over-the-foot mount. We're going to go over dimensions and how we put this in. Stay tuned. All right guys, we want to talk about our over-the-foot mount today. So here on the boat, we can see we've got a recessed foot pedal. We mounted, I've got one 12-inch right here, and then in our other video, which we'll put a link up to our Versa mount, I've got the Versa mount here on the back. So we kind of have a dual stack look. So kind of a different way to do it, but a cheaper way to do it than going out and buying a real expensive dual stack mount. But our over-the-foot mount right here just goes over the foot tray, the recessed foot tray, and you can mount a unit again, 7, 9, 12, 16. It'll hold whatever you want. On the base of our over-the-foot mount, you've got these notches here. So you're able to move the actual base left and right, you know, so if sometimes my unit gets a little tight up against the trolling motor with like a 16, so I've got to move the mount over on the over-the-foot mount. So it's got some versatility there. Really not much to it, but good solid mount, not going to bend, not going to break. You can mount whatever you want to it. But a lot of questions asked of measurements, right? What are the measurements on it? So we would call this the front, as you can see right here, the shorter side. So as you can see from the deck up, we're about 2 1/4 inches of clearance there. And then on the back side, we're about 3 1/4 inches. So that's kind of your measurements there. The width of this, we get a lot of calls on this if it will fit over their foot tray from the outside to outside. So measurements all the way out, you're about 18 1/2 inches. And then when we go to the inside, the narrowest part is this back part here. So we're going to measure, you're about 13 1/2 inches. So 13 1/2 inches on the back, 18 1/2 complete. If we went bolt to bolt, hole to hole where we're going to mount it, you're about 16 1/2 inches. And then the front side here, this opening is a little bit wider, and you're about 15 inches on this opening here. So really, it's going to fit over most recessed foot pedal trays, but that gives you some dimensions. We'll put those up on the video. You'll see a little box probably right over here showing you all those dimensions, so you guys can check that out. But very good mount if you're wanting one unit. Put over the foot pedal just right there in front of you. You're not having to look a lot of places. Very good mount. Check it out. Got any questions, give us a call, 316-313-4113. Shoot us an email at sales@russellmarineproducts.com. See you next time.
Are you tired of your old marine electronics? At RMP, we make trade-in easy. 3 steps. Step 1, shoot us an email, get a quote. Step 2, send us your old unit and get credit. Step 3, get your brand new unit and get it installed on your boat today.